Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to import documents into BoldDesk knowledge base articles. The Import Documents feature in BoldDesk allows users to convert documents directly into knowledge base articles. This helps in quickly creating content and minimizing the errors introduced by manual copying. Let's see how to import documents and convert them into articles. First, I log into my BoldDesk account as an agent. Then, I click Create and select Article. This will open the article creation page. You can also import documents when editing an article. On the article creation or editing page, click Import and select the document option. A pop-up will appear allowing you to browse the files. The Markdown editor supports the following file formats: .md, .txt, and .doc. The WYSIWYG editor supports .docs, .dut, .dom, .docs, .docm, .md, and .txt. Once the file you've chosen is uploaded successfully, the options to import or import and replace will be activated. To replace existing article content with the document content, use the Import and Replace option. Add the document content to existing article content or use it to create a new article using the Import option. The document content will be populated in the article creation or editing page, where you can format it using the editor. To learn more about how to format article content in BoldDesk, follow the link in the card above or description below. The import feature also allows you to import article templates when creating or editing your articles. To learn more about how to set up and use article templates in BoldDesk, follow the link in the card above or description below. Let me summarize. In this video, I explained how to import documents into a BoldDesk knowledge base article. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.